The equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared equals r squared. In this video, we're going to try and understand why it is of this form. So if you want to draw a circle of radius 5, you would put 5 into the r. So it would then become x squared plus y squared equals 25. So let's try and understand why. Well, if you select this point here at 4 across, 3 up, you've got a right angle triangle here. And we know it's a circle of radius 5. Now, if you use Pythagoras on this, so this is your x, this is your y. Look what happens when you use Pythagoras on this point here. So put the 4 into the x. That would be 4 squared. Put the 3 into the y. That would be 3 squared. And r. Put 5 into here. Put 5 into here. Does the left-hand side equal the right-hand side? It turns out to be equal because look, 16, 3 squared would be 9. This one here would be 25. This is also 25. 16 plus 9 is 25. So this point here is good. And let's try and select a silly point that is not on this circle. Let's say 2 across and then not to scale and then 10 up. So this point here, let's just randomly select a silly point, 2 across and 10 up. Now this is your x, this is your y. Put this into the x, that would be 2 squared. Put this into the y, that would be 10 squared. And does it equal 5 squared? You see, this thing here would be 4, this thing here would be 100, this thing here would be 25. You see, the left-hand side does not equal the right-hand side. So this point here is a bad point. It turns out that all the points on this circle will satisfy this equation. Hence, the reason why the equation of a circle is given by this. So let's test another point. Let's select this point here. This is your x. This is your y. Let's put this into here. So that would be negative 4 squared. And then plus put the 3 into the y. So that would be 3 squared. Does it equal 25? Well, this thing here would be negative 4 times negative 4 would be positive 16, 9, 25. You see here, this point here, yes, the left-hand side does equal the right-hand side. So this here is a good point. If you select this point here, randomly select this point here, let me clean this up. You see every point on that circle will satisfy our equation because of Pythagoras. So wait there. So let me clean this up. So let's randomly select this point here. The x coordinate would be 0 and then the y coordinate would be negative 5. Now this is your x. This is your y. Let's put this into here. So that would be 0 squared. And then put the negative 5 into the y. Negative 5 squared. Does it equal 5 squared? This would be 0 plus negative 25. Negative 5 times negative 5 will be positive 25. You see, the left-hand side here, the left-hand side does equal the right-hand side. So therefore, this here is a good point. It turns out that everything on this circle will satisfy this equation. The left-hand side will equal the right-hand side. So the equation of a circle is given by this. Okay.